How do you settle kids' claims? Because there's a history of lawyers and parents taking advantage of kids when they've been injured, we've got special procedures to protect them. Number one, most settlements involving children, other than the very smallest, have to be approved by a judge. This makes sure that the settlement is fair and is in the best interest of the child. Number two, you don't give the money to the kid or to the kid's parents right away. And there's two ways that we can handle that. First, many times we will take the settlement proceeds that belong to the child and put it in the registry of the court until the child turns 18. And then once the child's 18, they can go down and get the funds. Alternatively, you can use the child's funds to buy an annuity or a structured settlement. And the structured settlement is a string of payments, and it can be almost any form of fashion. Monthly for several years, yearly for several years, every other year, to match college tuition payments, however the parents want to do it. The structured settlement has several benefits. First, there is a notion that if a kid turns 18 and gets the money, it'll be gone by the time the kid is 18 and a half. With structured settlements, it spreads out the money so that the kid doesn't blow it all at once. But more than that, it also earns interest. So when you buy a structured settlement, depending on how old the kid is and the length of time it earns interest, it's substantially more than what it costs to buy the annuity. I just had a hearing today where we did both of these. We had a small settlement against one defendant where a sum was put in the registry of the court, and we used a larger sum for another defendant to buy a structured settlement on behalf of my kid. But just know, if your kid is injured, then it will be treated differently and you won't get the settlement proceeds right away. And if you have any questions about it, feel free to give us a call.